Creating avatars has been dangerously easy. HeyGen has always led that game. But now they're going beyond avatars. Two new major updates. Both potential game changers. One makes your video for you. Literally an AI producer that handles scripting, avatars, voiceovers, everything. The other, it's a direct shot at motion graphics tools, allowing you to do simple animations with just prompts. So in this video, I'm going to break down both these updates, compare it with different tools that do this kind of stuff, and show you what exactly they can do in madness. So with HeyGen's move past avatars, it literally looks like they want to replace your entire production team. Its two new updates, HeyGen Agent and HeyGen Motion, are pretty wild and can give your editor and animator an absolute run for their money. By the way, its actual USP of making avatars itself, I made a very simple 3-4 minute tutorial on how you can use it. Do check it out in the video link somewhere up above. So let's start with HeyGen Agent. This isn't your typical AI assistant. It's almost like hiring an editor who knows storytelling. You tell it what you want and it writes you a script, edits it completely, picks an avatar based on the tone, simple animations, and gives you a full-blown finished video. No manual timeline editing or rendering required. So let's have a look real quick. Typing straight what I want, create a product ad for a pair of shoes in an elegant looking background. The camera should pan around the shoes and in the end slow-mo zoom. Let's see what this gives us. Thinking, details, video agent, there you go. Topic, audience, music, theme, video length, orientation, script plan, everything very clearly called out. Would you like to proceed with this plan? Yes. And let's see what we get. So as you can see, all these various pieces it claims it's doing in terms of styling the storyboard, aligning your visuals, whatnot. And then in 2 minutes, this is the output.
Precision crafted, each detail speaks of design. Designed for comfort, enduring style, luxury. Discover the golden emblem, quality.
Nice, slick stuff. You can also download it. Of course, I'm sure if you can give it an input of what exactly the pair of shoes may have been, it would be able to put that into the video itself. But yeah, I wouldn't really call it perfect, especially since you don't have too much of controls in terms of how you want to manually tweak it. You can have a back and forth chat with the agent itself, but end of the day, it's not really like a VV or some other tool that will help you customize things exactly the way you want. I'd look at this as a quick base to make videos like explainer videos, product demo videos, startup intros and stuff like that. Next up, HeyGen Motion. This is the update that takes HeyGen from a video generator to a full-blown motion graphics engine. So let's have a look real quick, right? Very quickly, you can see there are a bunch of various design templates to pick from. Let's pick this one, simple one. Prompt, make a title animation for the text, be future ready. All right, let's just have a look at what this gives us. And sometime later, there you go. Exactly what you asked for. Let's try one where we don't even need to pick a particular template, for example. Bring an image of a teacher in a classroom talking to a lot of students and overlay the image with text saying, excellent teachers are empathetic. Close the quotes, fill the spelling, and maybe let me just change this to visual instead and generate asset. And there you go. It's a lot more motion graphics-y, so to say, with icons and stuff like that. Not bad. Let's see if you can upload a reference animation or something that you have done in the past if it's able to replicate it that way. So use a real image of a teacher explaining a concept in a classroom to children, very similar to the style shared, and bring a purple overlay of 80% opacity on top of the image. Bring the text. Again, let's not think too much. Excellent teachers are empathetic. And I'm sure if I would have given the exact hex code of the purple color, it would have, baked that into the render. But this is what I got. Okay, pretty literal to what I said. Don't really see it replicating the style in terms of the text animation, but not bad. Just out of curiosity, let's see what would happen if I would do the same prompt using, say, the agent. And by doing this, we'll clearly see the distinction between both these features, right? In terms of how one gives you one particular type of output and what the other gives you. In the exact same style and font and animation, bring the text. Excellent teachers are empathetic on a background of a real image, or a teacher in a classroom explaining a concept to students with a purple overlay. And yeah, let's just go ahead and see what this gives us. And again, the exact same loading components in terms of what this is broken it down into. Here it says no avatar is going to be used. And let's see, after typing yes, what we get. Again, the various sections of understanding, planning, creating, apparently, all this hype that it creates with its loading bar. And yeah, very social media-esque looking video, but literally an final output that you can use wherever you want, not with too much of customizability, unfortunately. So I guess it works really well, the agent in particular, to make, say, videos of product ads, to make these kind of quick 10-12 second social media reels and stuff like that, right? Since it's a motion graphics tool, that's what a large part of my job has actually been in terms of overseeing in educational videos and whatnot. I thought it makes sense to compare this with other tools out there, say like a Hera, that does exactly this, that in fact does only this, unlike HeyGen that's foraying into these various different types of output styles. So I tested the same prompt on Hera and HeyGen. Show a map of India, zoom into Kerala, display the GDP as a bar chart, highlight Tamil Nadu, just to see how both of these react to it, right? What HeyGen did was wild. Fully blown avatar based output with, motion graphics, a little bit of a narrative and script around it, trying to explain the gist of what we were going for in 15 seconds. But Hera, if we are talking about a pure motion graphics tool, this is what its output was. Exactly followed the requirement to the T, zoomed into Kerala on a map of India, showed the GDP, and then highlighted Tamil Nadu. Far from the explanation-driven output, avatar-based, look that HeyGen had. But here's the key takeaway, right? They are not really fighting for the exact same content creator. HeyGen is for, say, storytellers who don't have time, want design, animation, all of it taken care of in no time. Whereas Hera is a lot more for, say, designers who want AI assistance, patch those motion graphics into their videos. And I've done a full-blown breakdown of Hera itself. What are the various things that you can do on this tool, especially if you're going down the motion graphics path using AI, then you can check out the video linked up above. But long story short, HeyGen isn't just going for talking faces anymore. It's evolving into a system where it wants to be like a creative co-pilot, listening, planning, animating, and delivering. Hope you found this video useful. I do a lot of such tool breakdowns and tutorials so that it can help you with your hustle. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one.